Hello and welcome to the Vietnamese cooking show. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook a cheap and easy meal. Something like this for just a few bucks. We're going to be cooking fried rice, a comboed fried rice with shrimp, chicken, whatever you want, pork. Also, I like to say you could add any vegetables you'd like. Today I didn't put any.
This is basically just a template, just the bare necessities. So when you get better at cooking it, or if you already know what vegetables you like, you can start adding in more ingredients to your likings. Two things I would recommend right off the top is some chopped carrots and peas. First thing we're gonna do is start cutting up these chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Here we use 2 chicken breasts and about 10 shrimp, which came out to around 200 grams. Also, we're gonna give the shrimp a little choppy chop. Alright, now all that juicy meat is ready. Let's get our stir fry pan and put about a 1/4 cup of cooking oil in there. And let's get that fire going, baby. Now let's get 2 spoons of that minced garlic and throw it in there. Ooh-wee. You know what time it is, my favorite time. Let's get that meat cooking, baby. So the chicken goes in first. We're gonna cook it for about 2 minutes. Then we'll add the shrimp and cook it for another 3 minutes. Now add in your 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. We like to use chinsu. I will put a picture on the screen right now. It helps the flavor pop and it gives it a nice color. You can play around with different hot sauces, or you can just use ketchup. Now add in a tablespoon of salt. You know those Asians love that MSG, so let's put a tablespoon of that. And we'll get about a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar in there. Alright, this would also be the time you would put your carrots and peas inside. Cook it together with your chicken. Oh yeah, that meat's looking nice and golden, baby. In comes that shrimpity shrimp, and we're gonna let that cook for about 3 more minutes. Alright, now that meat's done cooking, it's time for the rice. And we already have our rice cooked. We use a rice cooking machine. I'll put it on the screen right now. We used 4 of these little cups, but if you're gonna cook it in a pan, you're gonna use about 2 cups, 2 American cups. And let's cook that rice up, and then we're gonna mix it in. The trick is to keep mixing that baby till all that rice is one color, nice and golden brown. Now time for the eggs. We like to use those duck eggs because it gives it a nice color, but you can use those chicken eggs if you want to. Just know the chicken eggs are a little bit bigger, so we're gonna use 3 duck eggs. Now crank up that heat and let's get these eggs cooking. It's gonna be the same thing. We're just gonna keep moving and moving until these eggs are all mixed in. Add them 4 teaspoons of green onions in there. Give it a nice mix, diddly-icks, and boom, da-da, boom, baby. You got yourself a cheap, healthy meal right here. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll keep trying to make more videos like this. See ya.